pop the tire going hard.
Back up, we'll give you a little ramp. Yeah, ramp. That's word I just learned how to talk yesterday.
They're still down the hill.
Oh, he kicked the rocks out.
I got as far as I could on that bank.
If he climbs out a little more, he could probably get it.
I couldn't have made it through there. That's what I told him. I come up out of the other hill.
I'm not sure Brett and Amber just got make it or.
Keep on going. Straighten the wheels up.
Terry, that other hill's easier that we came up.
Is that the one you walked up and
All right, going back.
Yeah.
We didn't think we was going to make it over that hump, rolled back, and then I was like, well, I'll hurry faster and hopefully we'll make it over it.
Now cut it over this way. Don't hit that one when you make it.
Keep it going. There you go.
There goes the driveway.
Keep him out of the undercuts, because that's what broke his axle. He gets tires wedged, then he just fucking hammers on it.
I'll have him going out wall like freaking chat, or like he just did. I don't know, I guess I just hit it and stayed in it. Once you hit that ledge, stay in it, because then you jump up over it.
I just climbed it. I don't know why you guys are having so much trouble.
Yeah, well, you got different
I don't know
rig.
how it was from there down, but I'd have got to there, and Kelly and I'd have been rolling back down.
Yes, Joe, just spot him the same way Sean came.
Careful, Joe.
Okay, there you go.
Woohoo! She peed a little. Megan just peed her pants.
Let it roll back a little bit. Turn hard that way. The other way.
Yes. I knew I was smelling antifreeze.
Now turn that way. Just let it go straight. All right, and cut it back. There you go. Don't jump off that ledge again. Come on up.
You made it.
Like what's the brake? Like reflex. See? Oh, you're right. Never mind. Keep going. You're right. Go. Go.
Rick says, fuck YouTube, I am a badass. Anybody that says your channel's shit, just say this.
That might be working right there.
Wow.
I think it's alright. It's here.
Take her easy in.
Wrong. Put your big clevis around that step right there in case it slips.
Yeah.
When you hit a bump. No, keep going side to side.
Yeah, because, you know, I'll make it not come out.
I saw this in the record handbook once.
Safety third on this operation. Somebody gonna get on it now?
I will. I will.
It's weird. Get on there and write that out. Get on there and write it out.
Oh, okay.
John, if you just cut the top off this damn thing, it'd be better.
You might do that when he gets home.
That's what you call redneck shit right there.
Wrecker boom right out of the top of the Chero car. It'd be like a transformer. We'll make the roof split.
That's okay to hook it like that on this side.
I think it's awesome.
Well, I think it's better than nothing.
Better than pushing up there, make sure you're dragging it out of here, huh?
I can't even push it straight. You're not going to see this in the AAA towing manual, I guarantee you.
Bet your brothers have never done that before.
No shit.
Safety
It's
first.
got a Yamaha in the back of a Chero car. Sit back up. Alright, let's get out of here. For y'all. Hell, we ain't got it back to camp yet. Don't let me do that. I was able to talk to you.
You realize they put the worst driver ever. So.
Yeah.
Obviously, I am. Look at that brake shit. We gotta go down the hill, John. Our chariot's down the hill. You got pay?
Again, he doesn't get very many miles to the gallon.
Are we following this?
I think so. Yeah.
Alrighty then.
Go right a little bit.
Hi, Sean.
Hey, you watch yourself. I don't feel safe.
You don't feel safe. Yeah. Okay, just for your, I'm behind you now, so.
I'm trying to get on this rock.
Hey, there's another rock. Hey, that's the tail light.
Fucking, I was just
You didn't need it.
saying how they were still there.
No, no, they're not. There it goes.
What are you with all your swords? You some kind of badass or something?
See, they're ninjas together. Oh, best friends.
Oh, no, Jeeps coming.
Yep, there's more Jeeps, look.
Oh, that's the old one wet.
I think Rance likes the Jeep.
That one looks like it's gonna come right into us.
Look at that Jeep, Rance. It
all
doesn't
look
have
like
doors
they're
on
gonna
it.
come right in. No, look at that one. You wanna go look at him? Yeah? Here, button up your coat.
Oh, down there.
No, Rance, right there.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Your truck's locked.
They locked the fucking door. Oh, wait.
It's everywhere.
I got a hammer.
And he doesn't have a sliding window back there.
No, it's
I
unlocked.
got nothing. Hey, why you videotaping me?
Because it's funny. You look like you was getting ready to throw a little fit there. I didn't want to miss it.
Yeah, I was. You're right.
She has Gloria's and I didn't.
Hi, kids.
Wave at Rick.
Oh,
She's got things to do.
Scooby's got the chains.
Scooby's got the chains. You think he can? I think you can ride that tree like the others, like you can see has been done. No, you ain't gonna get the rock. No. Damn it. There you go. There you go.
I'm not doing that.
You're not that wide though.
No, I'm not.
Sean's bro, trying to get him out of the woods.